If you love me, let me go.
What are you doing with this?
I get it.
I don't get it. Let me smash, please.
Don't nobody motherfucking move. I just want to wish y'all a great day. Where the fuck you going, nigga? Come here.
Me, Picklebee. Me, Bumperum. That no Picklebee. That no Bumperum.
What is going on?
I look like I've been knocked out.
Not that you've been knocked out, but you just don't see. Okay, little oil spill there.
Hiccups.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Speak, Comrade Elmo.
Oh my fucking... Fuck out of here!
Don't you know it's a new